Okay, so let's start with sequence. What is a sequence? So as we have seen in the last class, there are a lot of data types available: ints, floats, characters, and all that. So now there are times when you want to store bigger values, higher values. That is where sequence comes into picture. So what are sequence? So sequence is an ordered collection of items. Remember, is an ordered collection of items where each item is indexed by an integer. So there is 2 point. Pehla, it is a sequence, is an ordered collection. Pehla, and the second is indexed by integer. Done. So for example, I store a variable called str1 and I store in it hello friend. Mind it, text can be enclosed single quotes में भी double quotes में भी. दूसरा str2 is equal to 452. ये 452 भी एज अ स्ट्रिंग मैंने इस वेरिएबल के अंदर स्टोर किया. ठीक है जी. Now this is how we go forward with strings. Now to create a list, what I used to say is name of the list is equal to the, what is important is this, how you create a list. So these brackets are important. And then the first value, comma, second value, comma, third value, comma, fourth value, fifth value, whatever you want to do it. So this is how you create a list. We will see in detail कि list क्या होता है. But yes, right now it is an ordered sequence which can be accessed by integer. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, like this. Same as tuple. Tuple is also a sequence, but here a tuple is separated by commas and items are enclosed in brackets. ये important है, यहाँ पे brackets नहीं था, curly braces थे. Now tuple 2 is 10, ये पहला हो गया. commas तो पहले भी आ रहे थे, 20 हो गया, ये apple हो गया double quotes के अंदर, 3.4 a. Now we will see what is the difference between list and tuple. Right now there is a difference in terms of their storage. To create a set separated by commas and items are enclosed in parentheses. Now see, this is how we create a set. Now set 1 is equal to 10, 20, 3.4 neutrally. This is how you create a set. Duplicate elements are not included in a set. ये बहुत ही important point है याद रखने का, that जो भी duplicate चीज़ें होंगी वो नहीं याद रहेंगी, वो नहीं रहेंगी. I mean, done. So now अब हमने सीक्वेंस में 4 चीज देख लिया. सबसे पहला देख लिया स्ट्रिंग. ये दिस इज अ स्ट्रिंग, STRING. Where is my pen? Here is my pen, so I can write it here. यहाँ तो नहीं लिखने देगा. Okay, no issues. I'll see how I can write it here. So string is 1, second is the list, third is tuple, fourth is sets. So there are 4 things which is there in the sequence. We will see detail of each one by one when we actually come to the practical aspect. So in the meantime, मैं आपको quickly एक बार, let me also show you how I can actually store these values into this quick. Now let's say अब हमें I want to store a tuple, so I will say tuple tup1 is equals to, let's say any value, 20, 30, then mangoes 4.5, comma, single quotes के अंदर I can say values. I need to close it. Done. So this is a tuple created. Now if I want to see what is there in the tuple which I have created, I will just say print tup1. It will show me the value 20, 30, mango. So simple. The same way around we can create sets. So the only difference which is going to here is the braces. So this time we will be using a curly brace, this one. Earlier हमने simple brackets use किए थे. So यहाँ पे we will just put up any value 10, 20, 30. Ranchi. Patna. ठीक. And then at the end I will close this brace. Done. Sorry. Okay. I will have to remove this. And then अगर मैं देखना है कि हमने क्या करके रखा है स्टोर उसके अंदर, so just say print, it will show me कि उसके अंदर क्या रखा हुआ. Now there is some changes. पटना पहले आ गया, फिर 20 है, फिर रांची, फिर 10 आया, फिर 30. I will see how, why and how this sequencing is being done when we actually go in depth की set में घुस के काम करना है. Done. So this is how you create a set. Apart from all this, there is one more sequence which is called none. None is nothing very unusual, but it is just used as we use a false operator or a nor zero operator. So none के बारे में भी we will actually see what is a none when we actually use, and we can assign none to any variable, and none is non-zero. Simple. Like say I say val1 is equals to none. Now val1 is actually having none. So if we want to see print what is val1, it's none. और मैं अगर इसको बोलूं print print show me the type of val1, so it will say it is a class of type, class type is none type. So the none is a special kind of value which we can actually use to show non zero variables. Okay, so once we are done with these all stuffs, we will move to next, and next we are going to see mappings. What is mapping? So we are going to see mapping. So what is mapping? So important, mapping is an unordered data type in Python. जबकि last time पे हमने देखा था sequence is a ordered data type. Now this is the difference between mapping and sequences. So पहला तो it is an unordered data type, the first one. Standard mapping data types in Python is called dictionary. So there is one mapping that is called dictionary. So dictionary in Python holds data items in a key value pair. It is important. अभी तक हम जितना भी देख रहे थे, what we were doing, we were storing the value, simple values, कब एक value, दो value, तीन value, चार value, simple values हम डाल रहे थे. Now when you come to mapping, there is something different that is called key value pair. We will just see. And items in dictionary are enclosed in curly braces. याद रखने का है. And every key is separated from its value using a colon. ये वाला sign. And the key value pair of a dictionary can be accessed with a unique key, which is a key with the first value. Done. Now see how to create dictionary. So I said dictionary 1 fruit apple. So this is a key value pair. Then I said comma climate cold. This is a second key value pair. Then I said price in kg 120. This is a third key value pair. And then when I say print dictionary, that will actually print the dictionary. Let us see quickly. If I just want to show it to you, let us say I create a my dict1. आप नाम कोई भी दे सकते हैं. I'm just changing the name. Starting the curly braces, I say comma favorite. I mean, let's say fruit. ठीक है. Then a semicolon. Remember. then apple, then comes comma, then say, let's say value, comma, price, semicolon, whatever, done. That's the second value. Third, fruit is apple, price is 50, then location, come, location, comma, Kashmir, done. And at the end we are closing with the braces. Now this is my first dictionary. Now let me quickly see my dictionary, my DICT1. This is my dictionary. Fruit, apple, price. This is. Now what if I want to access any specific value? That is of concern area. We can access any specific item. Let me show you how we can. The first thing is print. What I want to say, what I want to print. So I want to say that in my dictionary, which is by the name of my DICT1, what I want to access. So whatever I want to access, I have to keep it here in this bracket. That is called indexing. So rather than giving any number, जो हम बाकी केसेस में देते थे सीक्वेंसेस में, यहाँ पे हम की देंगे. व्हाट इज माय की? सो लेट अस से आई से प्राइस, और ये प्राइस एक 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 ये है, ठीक. दिस इज की. ओके, फ्रूट इज अ की, एप्पल इज अ वैल्यू, प्राइस इज अ की, 50 इज अ वैल्यू, लोकेशन इज अ की, कश्मीर इज अ वैल्यू. नाउ लेट अस सी क्विकली वेयर हैव आई गॉन रॉन्ग. Oh, I missed that bracket, closing bracket of print. Okay. Now see, when I printed, it said 50. So I said print करो क्या, my dictionary का price की का value क्या है? Price की is value 50. If I say location का value क्या है, so it will print me Kashmir. So this is how key value pair actually works. So this is actually very handy when you start working with dictionary in a real time data. So actually it comes very handy. उस समय हम देखेंगे कि हम इसमें कैसे काम कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now quickly let's go to the next one, which is mutable, which is basically mutable and immutable data types. What are they? So as the name itself suggests, variable whose value can be changed after they are created are called mutable. बदल सकते हैं उसका वैल्यू एक बार देने के बाद, उसको हमने म्यूटेबल बोला. अगर मैंने बोला a को मैंने बोला 5 और बाद में मैंने बोला नहीं अब a इज इक्वल्स टू 7, और ये कोई जगह है जहाँ पे a है और इसमें पहले 5 रखा हुआ है, अब मैंने जैसे ही बोला ये हट गया यहाँ से और ये 7 आ गया. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड वैल्यूज बीइंग चेंजिंग. बट अगर कुछ ऐसा होता, मैंने बोला ये कोई a है, यहाँ पे 5 है और जैसे ही मैंने 7 बोला ये कटता नहीं, एक रेफरेंसिंग बन जाता, इसका नाम हो जाता a और इसको 7 हो जाता. एड्रेस इज चेंज 06111. नाउ दिस इज 06115. इस केस में 06 whatever 111 0x. इसमें क्या हो रहा है, उसी जगह पे हम नाम दूसरा, वैल्यू दूसरा दे दे रहे हैं. बट इन दिस केस जैसे ही आई एम चेंजिंग अ वैल्यू, ए का वैल्यू 5 से 7 किया, सो अ न्यू लोकेशन इज बीइंग मेड और वहाँ पे 70 आ जा रहा है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू. आई एम ट्राइंग टू चेंज द लोकेशन. आई एम ट्राइंग टू चेंज द लोकेशन रादर देन द वैल्यू. सो पहले वाले केस में अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो वेरिएबल whose वैल्यू कैन बी चेंज आफ्टर दे आर क्रिएटेड आर कॉल्ड म्यूटेबल. वेरिएबल्स and variables whose value cannot be changed after they are created and assigned are called immutable variables or immutable. Simple. When an attempt is made to update the value of immutable variables, the old variable is destroyed and a new variable is created by the same name in a memory. List, set and dictionary are mutable data types. Okay, and I hope now this is clear. So list, sets, डिक्शनरी आर म्यूटेबल डेटा टाइप्स. इम्यूटेबल में वो सारा आ जाएगा जो हमने पहले पढ़ा था, दैट इज इंटीजर, देन फ्लोट, boolean, मे बी स्ट्रिंग्स, टपल पे आगे हम पढ़ेंगे. सो टपल ऑल्सो कम्स इन टू immutable data types. You cannot change it. Okay, so I hope this is very clear. Now we will quickly see what next for us. Once we are clear with mutable and immutable, we can quickly go ahead and learn what are operators, and they are very easy, nothing very new into it, but we will definitely see a few examples once we complete this. Now, an operator is used to perform some mathematical calculations which we all do in a daily activity. So, सबसे पहले आता है arithmetic operators. So, Python plus minus multiplication division, ये चार arithmetic operators हैं हमारे पास, which we also use in a daily case. बस ये प्लस माइनस के लिए तो यूज़ करते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए ये वैल्यू है और डिवीजन के लिए ये वैल्यू है, ये बस सैम्पल है which you have to remember. Apart from this, there are few more which is like modular divisions, floor divisions, and exponentials. Now these are the values which we actually use in this. I can actually show you quickly some value. अगर हमको कुछ करके दिखाना है, प्लस माइनस तो हमने करके देखा ही. I don't think उसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ होगा, but I can say 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. I hope clear हो जाएगा. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now 8 modulus 4 is 0 because there is no remainder. So modulus operator is used for remainders. Now floor division, there is one option called floor division. इसमें ना हम दो करते हैं और हमने मान लो 4 से किया, so it says 3. Why it says 3? Because when we use this double slash, which is called floor division, so it divides the operator on the left hand side, which is the 13, by the operator on the right hand side and returns the quotient by removing the decimal part. It is sometimes also called integer division. Now same चीज अगर हम देखें 13 divided by 4 हम करेंगे, sorry, let us see here, 13 divided by 4, if you do it, it is giving you 3.25, but if you want to remove the decimal part, you say floor division. So floor division is double slash, it gives you the integer part only. Now exponential is this 2 to the power raised to, it says 4, 3 to the power raised of 3, it's a 27, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 4 to the power raised of 4 is 256, that is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So this is how exponential operator works in Python. Now the second aspect is relationship operator. So relationship operator is basically used to find out the relationship, that what relationship exists between the value. So there are equal to, this is used to find the equality, this is not equal to, this is greater than, smaller than, greater than equals to, smaller than equals to. These are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 relations operator which we basically use. Now if I need to say, let's say I have two value, one is called v1 is 5 and let's say one is called v2 is 8. Okay, now let's quickly use the operators which we have learned. v1 equals to v2. Indexation error, unexpected indenting. Okay, okay. There is some problem. This I need to check. Normally it should be clear bytecast, but it is not. Okay, 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 okay.